Do you need to increase your oscilloscope update rate to capture a more comprehensive signal for applications like EMI and power integrity, where a trigger is not required? The MXO series oscilloscopes include free-run triggering mode to capture waveforms faster. When using free-run triggering, the scope maximizes update rate. Let's take a look. Here, it's difficult to know what our signal looks like. Simply change the trigger mode to free run. Quickly see the signal in both the time and frequency domain. Check out Rohde Schwarz MXO oscilloscopes in your lab. See the difference.